In this video, we will discuss how to make money with Clickbank and Pinterest using ChatGPT. Please note that this video is not for those who are looking for quick money, as it requires patience and consistent effort. Many people have short attention spans and lack patience, which makes it difficult for them to earn money. If you want to make money in the long term, then you need to watch this video, work hard and follow the instruction carefully. I am currently working on Pinterest and you can follow my strategies to grow your account as well. Let's begin without any further delay. So in this video, we will discuss a 6-step process that will teach you how to promote affiliate products on Pinterest, starting from creating a Pinterest account to promoting the product. As you can see, I have recently started this Pinterest account and have already begun receiving views. In this video, I will share strategies I use. So let's get started with the first step, which is finding a product from Clickbank. To find a product to promote, go to Clickbank Affiliate Marketplace and click on All. Select your category or niche. For example, you can choose health and fitness if you are promoting health products, or you can choose e-business and e-commerce. We will focus on e-business and e-marketing. After selecting the category, you will see a list of products related to that category. Look for a product with a decent gravity score and less competition. Now I will narrow down my niche to affiliate marketing, and the marketplace will show me all the products related to that category. In this example, I found a product called Easiest System Ever Done For You Affiliate Marketing System with a gravity score of 63 and a very good commission rate. You can visit affiliate page for more information and resources to promote the product. It is important to note that there are both low ticket and high ticket products available for promotion, and you can choose according to your preference. After selecting the product you want to promote, you can proceed with creating your affiliate link after completing all other steps. Let's move on to the second step, which is creating a Pinterest account. To create a Pinterest account, open pinterest.com in your browser and then click on the sign up button. In this tutorial, we will continue with Google account to sign up, but you can use your own Google account if you prefer. As you can see, the account is already existing, and I realized that I created this account back in 2021 when I was promoting the keto diet products from Clickbank on Pinterest. This account has monthly views of around over 3000, which is impressive considering that I'm not regularly publishing any content. Let's log out of our current Pinterest account and create a new one with a different Google account. Once you have granted access to your Google account, the next step is to enter your date of birth to create your personal account. I will enter a random date of birth for now. Then we will click on create account. After that, we need to enter our names. If you want to keep it the same as your Google account, that's fine, because we will be converting this personal account to a business account later. Next, we will select our gender, our language and country. I recommend choosing the United States because it has the most viewers, it has the most visitors, and it is a tier 1 country, so meaning people are most likely to purchase there. Then we will choose 5 things we are interested in. This is an important step because it helps Pinterest recommend content to us. I will select some top interest, but you can change them later. Once you are done, click on meet your home feed and then done. It will take a few seconds to redirect to your home page. Now we will change the personal account to a business account. To do that, click on drop down button and click on convert to business. Next, click on upgrade to change your account to a business account. Now you have to give a name for a profile. If you are working in health, keep it a health related name. If you are working in a make money online, keep it a make money online related name. Then select whether you have a website or not. If you don't have, you can skip this for now. You can always add it later. Then select your location, language and country. I recommend choosing the United States again. Then click on next. Next, we have to select focus of our page. If you're promoting health products, go with health and fitness. Since our product focus is on making money online, we will choose other. Then we will write make money online in the text box. Then select your goals. You can choose any option that suits your focus. If you want customize recommendation on Pinterest, you have to choose your roles such as blogger, influencer or marketer. Then Pinterest will ask you whether you are going to run ads or not. If you're not sure, select I'm not sure. From the 3 options, I will select showcase my brand. This will redirect me to the profile settings. Here you can edit your profile, write your about section, rename your profile and put a link. You can also create usernames and do all the necessary settings. I will change my username to Make Money Online Arena. I also recommend that you change your profile picture to a nice one. That's it. You are set up and ready. Start using Pinterest for business. Okay, now we will move to the third step, which is learning how to grow on Pinterest. To grow on Pinterest organically, you need to go back to your homepage by clicking on the home button. Then click on saved, because we are going to open all the saved pins. From here, you can see a plus icon on the right side. Click on it to create a board. A board is a place where we keep different types of pins. To create your first board, click on plus icon. Select board, then name your board related to the content that you are going to publish on it, and then click on create. For example, I will name it copywriting, as I will publish copywriting related content on it. Pinterest will suggest some pins to save for that board. After saving some pins, click on done. And if you want to add a description or cover picture for your board, click on the three dots and select edit board. You can write description and upload a cover picture. If you need help writing a description, ChatGPT can help you. Once you are done, go back to your homepage and upload your cover picture. You can use tools like Canva or Figma to create a cover picture for your profile, as there are many tools available for Pinterest. Next, we will publish our first pin on Pinterest. If you want to create and publish your first pin, you need to click on create, and then you will see two types of pins. The first one is idea pin, which is a group of pins that are combined like carousel post on Instagram. The second one is the standard pin, which is like a normal post with a title, description, alternative tags, etc. The third option you see is going live on Pinterest. Now let's create our first pin by taking inspiration from other accounts. To find inspiration, click on the search bar at the top right of the screen and type a keyword related to your niche. For example, I will type affiliate marketing. Then it will show me all the posts related to affiliate marketing. From the top drop down, you can change your pins to all pins to see all the pins. On the right side of the screen, you can see filter option. Click on that and select profiles options to filter out all other options. I will select a profile to take inspiration from. This account is helping people to grow on Pinterest with their content. We will see what kind of pins they are creating and get some ideas from there. Once we have an idea, we can start creating our own pins. Next, I will open a new tab and go to Instagram. From there, I can either go to explore page or search for accounts related to affiliate marketing. Once I find a video related to marketing or artificial intelligence on the explore page, I'll copy that link to the Instagram reel. Then I will open a new tab and go to Instagram post or video downloader. I will paste the link of the video that I copied earlier and click on the download to download the video or Instagram reel. Once the video is downloaded, I'll open clipchamp.com, which is a video editing software from Microsoft. After logging to my Clipchamp account, I will click on create a new video and drag and drop the downloaded video into the clip. I will then edit the video by removing any copyrighted parts and making necessary edits. Once the editing is done, I will click on export and select 1080p resolution. The video will start rendering. Once it is done, I can click on save to my computer to save the video file on my computer. To upload this downloaded video as an idea pin on Pinterest, you need to click on create and then select idea pin. Next, upload the video from your file explorer onto Pinterest. Once the video is uploaded, you can add a title. For this title, I will use ChatGPT to generate a new one. Now I will write a description for this pin. To do so, I will use ChatGPT and ask it to write a description based on the title. Once the description is generated, I will copy and paste it into the description box on Pinterest. I will trim the description to fit within the 500 character limit. Next, I will select a board. Since this video is related to ChatGPT, I will choose the ChatGPT tutorials board. Finally, I will add tags related to artificial intelligence and internet marketing. You can click on publish or choose to publish it later. I will click on publish and wait a few seconds for it to go live. Once it is published, you can go back to the homepage. Let me tell you how to grow on Pinterest. To grow quickly on Pinterest, you need to follow the right strategies. One of these strategies is to follow and unfollow people who are related to your niche or market. For example, you can follow followers of the influencers in your industry. To do this, click on the search bar on Pinterest and search for the terms related to your niche. Let's say I'm in affiliate marketing niche. I might search for affiliate marketing and I see that I found ClickFunnels on Pinterest. I'll open their account. From there, I can click on their followers and start following people who are following ClickFunnels. Make sure that you don't follow more than 60 people in an hour, no more than 400 people in a day on Pinterest. I recommend following no more than 300 people per day. Following too many people can cause Pinterest to suspend your account. By following the right people, you can grow your account organically. Additionally, creating and publishing high quality pins help boost your growth on Pinterest. Remember, don't go beyond recommended limits for following people in order to avoid account suspension. Now we will move towards the fourth step, which is creating a blog. We create a blog because we can put a link on every pin on Pinterest. By doing this, we can drive traffic to our blog. On Pinterest, we have the option to put a link in every pin, which is why we are creating a blog. We will include our affiliate link in the articles of our blog, and we will put the link of every article in the pins. Okay, now let's open system.io to create our blog. If you don't have an account on system.io, you can create one. Since I already have an account, I will log in. After logging in, I will go to the system.io dashboard and click on blogs. So as you can see, my blog dashboard is empty because I have not created any blog yet. With a free account on system.io, you can create only one blog, but you can make infinite blog posts. I will click on create and name my blog Indish Marketer. I will change the domain name to custom domain indishmarketer.in. Before it was system.io subdomain. If you want to learn how to set up a custom domain on system.io, you can watch the video by clicking on the I button. I will keep the URL path same as the indishmarketer.in and select a template. Afterward, I will click on save to create my blog. Next, I will click on the three dots and then view to see how my blog looks. Returning to the system.io dashboard, I will delete the pre-built posts that were provided and create my own post. Then I will click on blog layout to change the appearance of my blog. I will update the logo with my own and adjust the necessary settings. After making changes, I will click on save changes and then exit button to exit the settings. Now we will create our first blog. To do this, click on create button. Now we need to enter the title, description, image and other stock items. To write the blog post, title and description, I will open youtube.com and search for how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. The first video that comes up is by John Crestani. I will play the video and then click on the three dots and then click on transcript to get all the caption of the video. Then I will copy the transcript and go to the ChatGPT, where I will enter a prompt that will transform the video script into a blog post and format it with H1 and H2. Once the post is generated, I will copy the title of the post, go back to system.io and paste it in the title field. Then I will write a short description for the post. To write a description, I will go back to ChatGPT and enter a prompt to generate a description for the blog post. Once the description is generated, I will copy it and paste it into the system.io blog post description field. Next, we need to upload the feature image for this blog post, but for now we will skip that and move on to the category. We have not created any categories yet, so we will leave it for now and click on save. Now the blog post is created and we will click on it to open it in the editor. To edit the blog post, we will drag and drop elements from the left of the screen, starting with the text element. Then I will copy the first paragraph of the blog post generated by ChatGPT and paste it here into the text element of system.io blog editor. Then we will drag and drop another headline element and copy the subheadline from the ChatGPT and paste it in the new headline element. We will continue this process of editing and copy pasting until the blog post is complete. Okay, once the blog post is done with editing, the most important thing left is to put affiliate link in the blog post. To do that, we need to generate call to action text that we will put in our article. We will first go to ChatGPT and write a prompt, asking ChatGPT to write some compelling call to action text to promote this specific product from Clickbank. Once the call to action text are generated, we will copy one or two call to action text and copy them into our blog post in the system.io blog editor. Then I will open the Clickbank marketplace. Then I will find the previously selected product. Then I will click on promote to get the affiliate link of the product and I will write my nickname. After creating the hook link, I will copy it and come back to system.io. I will select the call to action text and link our affiliate link with it. After linking our affiliate link with the call to action text, we will click on save changes and exit the editor. We need to upload featured image for our blog post, so we will open canva.com. Then I will click on create design and choose a blog banner template. Next, we will select an attractive template and we will edit it as per our preference. And then we'll click on the share button to download it with the JPG format. We will then go back to system.io, open the blog post post setting and upload the downloaded image. Now we will go to categories and open category A setting to rename category A to affiliate marketing. We can also write a description and SEO title if we wish to, but we will skip it for now, and we will then click on save. We will then open the blog post setting and then select the category affiliate marketing for this blog post. Once everything is saved, we will click on view to see how our blog post looks. If I wish to, I could make it more attractive, but I was in hurry. So the next step is to create a standard pin that we will publish on Pinterest, and we will also attach the link of our blog post to that pin. To do that, we will open canva.com and we will click on create design, okay, and then we will select Pinterest pin. Once the Canva Pinterest post editor is open, we will select an attractive and simple template that includes an image and text. From here I will choose this template. Then I will add my website address and the title of my blog post to the text boxes on the pin. I will also replace the image on the template with a free image since I am not a Canva Pro user. In this way I will edit the pin until it looks good and attractive enough to be published. Once it is ready, I will click on share and then download the pin in high quality. After downloading the pin, I will go to pinterest.com, log into my account and click on create pin. Then I will drag and drop the downloaded image and paste the exact title of my blog post. I will also write a short description of the blog post which I have previously created with the help of ChatGPT. Next, I will write the alternative text related to the image, asking ChatGPT to generate an alternative text for this image. I will explain whatever is on the image so that it can generate a better alternative text for me. Once it is generated, I will copy and paste it in the alternative text box on Pinterest. Finally, I will add the link of my blog post and change the board name to affiliate marketing. I will click on publish to publish the pin. Once the pin is public, I can click on see your pin to view it. Okay, so now here we are. I am going to navigate to my profile. Then I will click on edit profile. Here we are going to claim our blog or website. So from here, I will click on claimed accounts. As you can see, I already have a clean and verified account and I am on a verified website. The next step is to verify and claim the current website. I will click on claim. Then Pinterest will provide an HTML tag code, HTML file code and TXT record. I will copy the TXT record and go to my domain provider, which is namecheap.com. After logging in, I will click on the domain list and select my domain name, which is indishmarketer.com. Next, I will click on manage, followed by advanced DNS settings. When the advanced DNS setting is open, I will click on add a new record and choose a TXT record from the drop down. In the value section, I will paste the TXT code from Pinterest, and in the host section, I will type @ then I will click on save. Once it is saved, we will go back to Pinterest and click on continue. We will enter the website address and click on verify. It will take a few seconds to verify the website. As you can see, our website is verified now and connected. This was our final step because when you are publishing links on Pinterest, you want to verify that you are the actual owner of the links or the blog that you are publishing. This was our final step because when you are publishing links on Pinterest, you want to verify that you are the actual owner of the links or the blog that you are publishing. Now we have shown that our website is clean and that we are the owner of the website. To grow on Pinterest, you will need to create at least 10 to 15 pins every day and be consistent in your efforts. Pinterest offers excellent organic growth opportunities, especially if you work consistently and over the long term. So this is how you can create a Pinterest pin and grow your affiliate marketing business with Pinterest marketing. Thank you so much for watching.